Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Prarthana Banerjee and I make videos on pretty much everything. Now I have uploaded a video like this on what I eat in a day before, but मेरा diet plan अभी थोड़ा change हुआ है due to the winters बोलिए या फिर actually due to my health and everything. I have changed it a little bit, and to be honest, it's good to keep changing your diet in general without actually changing the amount of calories or the macros, and it keeps the whole thing a lot more interesting. So that's why I thought of updating you guys on my latest what I eat in a day. And if you're interested to know what I eat in a day, in that case, please keep on watching.
Hold up.
Now before I tell you guys what I actually eat in a day, it is so important to understand the meaning of the word diet, because आजकल for some reason people are really scared of the word diet and people look down upon the word diet. कि अगर कोई लड़की या फिर लड़का बोले कि मैं डाइटिंग कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ तो लोग बोलते हैं अरे तुम डाइटिंग कर रहे हो ये वो वगैरह. It is so wrongly perceived, and that is exactly why I am going to bust the whole concept कि लोगों को लगता है कि डाइटिंग मतलब खाना कम कर देना, बहुत कम कर देना या फिर खाना छोड़ देना. इन दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं है. डाइटिंग का सिंपल मीनिंग ये है कि whatever any species, be it a human being, be it an animal, consumes is his or her diet. It is the very thing or the quantity or the food that you are consuming to function on a day to day basis. Okay, now सब लोग इसका मतलब डाइट करते हैं. डाइट जो आप खाना खा रहे हो उसी को डाइट बोलते हैं. It is not something you need to be scared of. Yes, diet control करना is something that where you make changes in your diet to actually which will fit well with your lifestyle, your health and your goals all together. Now yes, in that case please ऐसा नहीं है कि डाइट से डरना है. डाइट is simply जो आप लोग रोज डे टू डे बेसिस में खा रहे हो. Now let's move on to what I eat in a day and what my latest diet is. First things first, the moment I wake up in the morning, earlier I used to have ACV, apple cider vinegar or lemon water. I have included all about apple cider vinegar in my previous video. If you did not check it out, you can go ahead and check it out. But lately मैं ACV नहीं ले रही because I had a dental surgery, and since it is highly acidic, I try to avoid ACV lately. And since I am done with my weight loss per se, इसीलिए ACV is great for overall health benefits, उसके बहुत ज़्यादा है, but मैं उसको अभी avoid कर रही हूँ, and I have replaced that with another type of detox water which is fennel seed tea or cumin seeds tea, जिसको जीरा और बंगाली में fennel seed को मोड़ी भी कहते हैं. Both of these are very good for your overall health, not just for weight loss but for your digestion and your blood sugar levels and everything. इन दोनों के फायदे बहुत ही ज्यादा है, एंड स्पेशली अगर आपका डाइजेशन अच्छा रहेगा, इसका मतलब ऑटोमेटिकली क्या है कि आपका जो खाना है वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स आपके सही जगह पे पहुंच रहे हैं थ्रू आउट योर बॉडी, एंड जो टॉक्सिन्स हैं वो भी सही से फ्लश आउट हो रहे हैं, which automatically again means कि आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म भी हाई है and your whole digestive system is also doing well. So it is very important to actually incorporate some kind of detox water that you consume empty stomach. Now on some days I take रात को मैं थोड़े बहुत fennel seed या फिर जीरा थोड़े गर्म पानी में उसको बॉईल करके भिगो के रख देती हूँ, and then सुबह को I strain that water and I consume it empty stomach. On some days I have that, on some days I have warm water में नींबू डाल के जो मैं पहले लेती थी. So this is one change that I have incorporated and it is very good. I will highly recommend that you try incorporating either of the detox water in your diet as well. Now coming to breakfast में आप लोग ले सकते हो पोहा, उपमा, बेसन का चीला, या फिर मैंने पहले मेंशन किया है मैं बनाना ओटमील पैनकेक्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करती हूँ. आप लोग वो भी ले सकते हो, बट ऑन अ पर्सनल बेसिस मैं आजकल बहुत लेट उठती हूँ बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा लेट नाइट मेरे को एडिटिंग वगैरह करना पड़ता है, विच इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग. you should sleep on time, you should have your 8 hours of sleep. And to have my 8 hours of sleep, I end up waking up a little late, जिसके वजह से मेरा breakfast time निकल जाता है. So at around 11 I directly have my fruits. बट सिर्फ फ्रूट्स के साथ मैं सिर्फ फ्रूट्स नहीं लेती. आई यूजुअली ऑल्सो हैव इट विथ एन एग, so that I have my whole deal of carbs, natural sugar and protein and fat from the egg as well. So it's a balanced, mid-morning snack, you can say. So even if you have your breakfast at around 11, it is very good if you go ahead and have the seasonal fruits, whatever is available, whatever you like. It is very good to have that. So I have my bowl full of fruits with an egg, and at around 1 or 1:30 तक मेरे को भूख लग भी जाती है, and मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि I have my meals on time. So that's why at around 1 or 1:30 I have my lunch, which is the heaviest meal of my day since I don't have breakfast. So for lunch I have purely घर का खाना. Guys, you do not have to be scared of घर का खाना because your body is used to it. आप लोग बचपन से घर का खाना खाते आए हो. Of course, अगर आप weight lose करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, you can make some changes or ask your mother or whoever cooks in the house to make some changes with the amount of oil or sugar or salt. But ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कोई particular खाना एकदम निकाल दे रहे हो अपने डाइट से. योर बॉडी नीड्स इट बिकॉज बचपन से आपके बॉडी को आदत है घर का खाना खाने की. सो आई हैव माई घर का खाना. आई हैव a very balanced amount of carbs, protein, minerals, healthy fats and all of that. So I have some rice or 1 or 2 roti. With that I have some dal, which is also a very good amount of protein and carbs both. I have some good source of protein like paneer या फिर fish or chicken or egg, whatever. I don't like mutton. I don't like red meat in general. So I have that, and with that I have some vegetable जो भी घर पे बना है. सब्जी में कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, जितनी मर्जी खाओ. जस्ट मेक श्योर इट्स नॉट डीप फ्राइड और बहुत ज़्यादा तला हुआ सब्जी नहीं. जो नॉर्मल सब्जी बनता है घर पे, यू कैन हैव whatever. कभी कभी होता है कि मम्मी दाल में ही सब्जी डाल के उसको एक बना लेती है, तो इन दैट केस अलग से सब्जी नहीं रहता. एंड विथ माई लंच होल पैलेट आई हैव a bowl full of curd because it is high in probiotics. It is very 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 good for your body and your digestion. शरीर को भी ठंडा करता है. And yeah, I just have that, and उसके बाद my soul feels so good because मैं भरपेट वो खाती हूँ. At around 1 or 1:30 I have that. Then at around 4, since मैं 5 बजे जिम जाती हूँ, it is very important to have your pre-workout snack so that you can actually give your best in the gym. So at around 4 I have my banana and soya milk smoothie. You guys have seen this. मैंने रेसिपी भी डाला हुआ है in my previous videos. I either have that or I have my banana and curd smoothie जिसमें मैं थोड़ा बहुत cinnamon डाल देती हूँ. It also tastes absolutely amazing. जिस दिन मैं 4 बजे कर्ड लेती हूँ, उस दिन मैं लंच के बाद थोड़ा सा ही कर्ड लेती हूँ. You can also replace curd with buttermilk if you end up having banana and curd or any kind of smoothie which includes curd as your pre-workout snack. Buttermilk is also a very good source of it also helps you digest your food properly and flush out all the toxins. So at around 4 I have my pre-workout snack. At around 4:30 I have my black coffee, which also helps me grill in my gym. I absolutely love my black coffee. और I only have just 1 cup of coffee, not too much of caffeine or anything. If you are used to chai, you can have your 1 cup of chai with 1 or 2 Mary biscuits. It's absolutely fine. It's okay. On the days I really feel like having a biscuit, I have a biscuit with black coffee. But since मैंने 4 बजे खाना खा लिया है, like in form of smoothie or shake, मेरे को उतनी भूख लगती नहीं. I just have my black coffee and I go to the gym. I work out for a good 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then I come back. Now carbs, banana include करना as a pre-workout snack is very good because it has carbs and potassium. Now similarly post-workout snack is extremely important, जिसमें आपको ज़्यादा protein डालना है to actually heal and mend your muscles and जो भी आपकी बॉडी में इन्फ्लेमेशन हुआ है बिकॉज यू एक्चुअली स्ट्रेस्ड योर बॉडी while you were working out. So for that I have 2 eggs, either 1 whole egg with 1 egg white or 2 egg whites. It depends on what I feel like. Plus if I'm extremely hungry, जो usually होता नहीं है, but if I'm hungry I add on some makhana or some very low calorie snack, some kurmura, something like that. Usually I don't have it. 2 eggs are absolutely fine because again I have my early dinner. Now coming to dinner में मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि दोपहर को मैंने carbs, I have it with carbs, heavy carbs रहते हैं, it's absolutely fine. डिनर में मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि carbs थोड़े कम हो, but ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं carbs पूरा निकाल देती हूँ. I either have 1 roti with a good sabzi. Now I try to incorporate some kind of rainbow sabzi in my dinner. By rainbow I mean different colors की जो सब्जी है, especially अभी winters आ रहे हैं. It is the season of vegetables. Don't restrict yourself in form of salad or soup or normal sabzi, curry, whatever you like. Incorporate a lot of vegetables. Keep the portion of your vegetables more than the portion of carbs. So I either have like 2 chicken breasts with 1 good bowl of रेनबो सैलड सूप. नाउ अगर 2 चिकन ब्रेस्ट खाओगे आपको रोटी की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी बिकॉज पेट एकदम भर जाता है. मेरा तो भर ही जाता है. Either that or some days I have it with rainbow salad, rainbow vegetable sabzi. उसमें I add on some paneer for some more protein and I have it with 1 roti. It completely depends कि घर पे क्या बना है. Just keep your quantity of carbs lesser as compared to the other things that are a part of your plate. And that's about it. बहुत simple. It's mostly घर का खाना. No, nothing fancy. इधर उधर कुछ नहीं. Detox water भी घर के मसाले से बने हैं. And on the days when I feel very heavy, I actually have 1 cup of green tea at night. But that is not every day. And also on my detox days, I have a bowl or a plate full of dalia in the lunch. I have mentioned that before in my other videos, so that's why I did not mention it as my day's routine for this video. But I just decided to let you guys know, just in case you are a new viewer. You will find the recipe of the dalia and everything in my detox day diet video. It will help you out as well. And yeah, that is what I eat in a day. It is not complicated. You do not have to be scared of weight maintenance and diet control. It is very simple. Just keep things enjoyable, whatever works out for you. Make sure if you are mentally happy and your body feels good and energetic, it simply means that you're eating right. Okay, you do not have to starve yourself or restrict yourself completely from things. Just junk को निकाल दो. Deep fried food, highly sugar, जो भी चीजें मिलती है और प्रोसेस्ड फूड, इन सब चीजों को निकाल दो. घर का खाना खाओ. घर कुछ अच्छा खाने का मन करे वो भी कोशिश करो कि घर पे बनाओ. Your body will be absolutely fit and fine and you will also lose weight very easily. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. And yes, let's grow this family. I cherish you guys and I love you guys so very much. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, take care.